me show you the secrets to making any girl pursue you. Warning: with great power comes great responsibility. I'll share 3 rules with you, and if you apply them wisely, you'll have any woman captivated. Use these rules with integrity and embody true masculinity. When you pedestalize a girl and treat her like the ultimate prize, it triggers a shift in her mindset. She begins to think, wait a minute, I'm the catch here. I can ease up a bit. I don't need to make as much effort. I have other options. As a result, her interest in you gradually diminishes. In this video, we'll discuss how to reposition yourself so that she sees you as the valuable asset in her life, making you the pursued prize in the interaction. It's a fact. When you place a woman on a pedestal, she naturally starts to view you as beneath her. It's basic human psychology. So, let's discuss how you can be the prize in her eyes. After all, she wants that just as much as you do. Many guys think, if I treat her like royalty, she'll want me. But the truth is, we all want to be with someone we see as the prize. When you treat her like a princess, she interprets it as, I'm superior and you're not. But you can't both be the prize. Every woman desires a man who exudes strength, someone who can protect her. It's instinctual. We crave someone we need to earn. If you fail to provide that challenge, you risk losing her. So, how do you become the prize? Let's explore 3 strategies to position yourself as the one worth pursuing. Rule number 1, believe that you are the superior one. And this is really tough for a lot of guys, because a lot of guys think, well, I'm not the prize. She's better looking than me, or she's more outgoing. She has more friends than me. They have all these things in their heads. But we've all met the guy who really doesn't have a lot going for him. He's not making a lot of money. He's not the best looking guy. And he firmly and unwaveringly believes that he's the prize. And what happens when you do that? Women buy into it. When you slap a really high price tag on yourself, if you believe you're the prize, then you start acting like that. And I assure you, women will treat you like never before. And when they do, you naturally become the prize. It's a straightforward process. Now, let's delve into how to embody this belief without explicitly stating, I'm the prize. Because when she perceives it on her own, that's when it truly takes root. So, how do you demonstrate this mindset? That brings us to rule number 2, cease chasing validation. The next step is to refrain from chasing validation. What I mean by this is avoiding the validation vacuum. When a man and a woman come together, there's often this unspoken urge to impress each other, which can feel awkward. By not focusing on impressing her, she'll instinctively try to fill that gap with validation by attempting to impress you instead. It's a natural dynamic where someone needs to step into that role. Additionally, it's crucial to remember that actions speak louder than words. Instead of merely telling her about your accomplishments or experiences, show her through your actions. Rather than narrating your adventures, be adventurous with her. Instead of boasting about your leadership skills, demonstrate them by taking charge in various situations. Another aspect of avoiding validation-seeking behavior is refraining from over-explaining yourself. When someone is seen as the prize, the tendency is to justify every aspect of oneself. However, this signals to the other person that their opinion holds significant weight, indicating a desire to impress. By resisting the urge to chase validation, you inadvertently make yourself the object of her desire. Rule number 3, take charge of decisions. This is a concept many men struggle to grasp. When you ask a woman out and she loses interest, it's often because she perceives herself as the prize due to the way you're treating her. Once she feels like the prize, she's likely to lose interest. But what many fail to realize is that women are just as tired of this cycle as men are. If you come across as overly impressed or treat her like royalty, it can actually turn her off. So, being the decision maker means not automatically placing her on a pedestal. Approach the situation with an attitude of uncertainty, signaling that she's not the center of your universe. This mindset shifts triggers something in her because it's not a common approach. But how do you put this into practice? It involves what I call next-level deep validation and curiosity. Validation stems from curiosity. For instance, if you discover she's a lawyer, instead of jumping to praise her career choice, delve deeper. Ask what led her to pursue law, uncovering the underlying reasons. By going beyond surface-level compliments, you demonstrate genuine interest and challenge her to impress you. This approach not only fosters deeper connections, but also positions you as someone not easily won over. So, always strive to dig deeper with your curiosity before offering validation. If you've reached this point, comment 100 to confirm you've got the knowledge. Hit that like button, also subscribe and be a part of it.